He's having a little snuggle. What happened? Awful 60 in here. Woo! We made her to pig iron, boys. We made her to friggin' pig iron. Fuck. This thing sounds fantabulous. Well, we made her to pig iron. Friggin' rights we did. Man, this truck's awesome. We get a couple little things worked out. This is gonna be decent. Everybody? Holy suffering. Well, there's a guy looking at it right now. That's my good stuff, no looking. Okay. Well, I just got the old Jackery box in there. Got the old GoPros going. Whoa, what the f? Whoa, it's making crazy noises. What the f? Smoke comes out the back instead of the floor. Right? That's a good one. Yeah. Oh, first gen bros, eh? Yeah. Oh. I got it. The scissors. Yeah, the charging system in the truck appears to be dickered. Yeah, well, we'll be bringing a booster with us now. Here we go. Would I be able to trouble you for a quick boost?
I don't have any cables.
I got cables. You don't have to if you don't want to. I can wait for another deck. Thanks. Thanks a lot.
Hey, no problem.
Right on, appreciate it. Oh, let's put it back how I found it. Awesome, thanks a lot. we've got that to fix now. Figure out or whatever. Well, first trip out in the 83, the actual, I mean, well, since the Cummins swap, we took it for a couple rips with the gas engine into it, but yeah, I mean, runs and drives and goes and stops, friggin' just splendid. Speaking of stops, where they went to the part sticks, picked up the Nudas, got some Nudas there, so if you never saw it, this is what a Blake bleeder looks like. It's just a pointy piece with a hole in the side there, with a hole in the side. Yeah, so we'll replace those, get my friggin' 3/8 friggin' snapped it back, and yeah, so we got to figure out the charging. I guess it's, I don't know, because like before the needle was pulling one of those, and now it's staying steady, but I don't think it works. So I mean, we'll have to do some testings here. It's almost how much or something. Get her on the charge. Friggin' DSP, and I picked up a couple creepners because this is my old creepner, and it got run over, and it's been welded back together, and friggin' yeah. So that's not my Gouda one, and the floor in here is all rough and bumpy, so I'm terrible too. And this one's got bigger wheels. It looks like. And probably actually looking at it, it looks like they're the same. Ain't they're the same, but anyways, we'll crack that sumbitch open and down this the Santis factor, and then we got one of the over the hood guys too. You Santis in the picture. So yeah, that'll come in handy working on tall shit real bad. But anyways, oh goodness gracious, I'm a terrible person. I forgot I was making a movie. I apologize, but yeah, Monopoly man came over, we ordered him some more movies and charged the battery and put my creepner together, and then I took this one out of the box. Oh my goodness gracious, that's a lot of bits and pieces. I'll do that tomorrow. That's what I was like, hey? I was like, frig that, but yeah, we got the old stainless styloid and exhaust pipe valve on the guy. I think I'm gonna hunt down a friggin' exhaust bender. That's a freaking money printing machine. Just have to clean the end up a little bit there. A little bit. I don't know what he cut it with. A friggin' hammer. Hey, you cut it with a friggin' hammer? But yeah, not too bad. Happy with it. Hey, it's only two pieces. Holy shit. Just a friggin' cigaretted my ankle there. But yeah, maybe tomorrow we'll get the old brakes bled there proper like. Hopefully, and then yeah, we'll teach. But gotta figure out the alternator now, because it was charging, pulsating, and now it's, I don't know. We're gonna have to figure that out. I don't even want to get into it right now. But yeah, we went for a rip. We only had to get one boost, so that's not too bad. But note to self: bring some sort of a booster box and different types of deal with it yourself. Text, as you don't have to friggin' you know, ask anybody, because people are goofs. Hey, look, you can tell. But anyways, boys, if you head on over to the Patreon, you can get early friggin' videos, Sundreds friggin' Fundreds. I'll let you in on the April Fool words. And put your name across the bottom of the stovepipe. They're free there. But anyways, boys, I would have figured fudge on that like button. A couple bitches from earlier, but there you go. No, I do problem, but I don't know.
Don't the waters get you?